The United States has given the green light for a new military sale to Saudi Arabia, authorizing the acquisition of 2,000 Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System 2, APKWS II, guidance kits. This $100 million deal aims to bolster Saudi Arabia's ability to conduct precise air-to-ground strikes while minimizing collateral damage. Alongside the guidance kits, the transaction includes spare parts, diagnostic tools, logistical support, and training provided by the U.S. government. The APKWS II system, developed by BAE Systems, transforms conventional 70mm Hydra rockets into precision-guided munitions. By integrating a laser guidance section between the warhead and rocket motor, the system provides an affordable alternative to larger missile systems such as the AGM-114 Hellfire. This capability is particularly valuable for close-quarters combat and urban operations, where precision is paramount. Initially declared operational in 2012, the system has since been deployed on a variety of rotary and fixed-wing aircraft, including the AH-1W Super Cobra, UH-1Y Venom, MH-60S Seahawk, F-16 Fighting Falcon, and A-10 Thunderbolt II. Technical specifications of the APKWS II highlight its effectiveness in modern combat scenarios. The system measures 73.77 inches in length and weighs 32.6 pounds, achieving a top speed of 1,000 meters per second. With a maximum range of 6 kilometers, it is optimized for striking lightly armored vehicles, infrastructure, and enemy positions while reducing unintended damage. Compatible with multiple warheads such as the M151 and Mk152, the APKWS II can be integrated across a range of aerial and ground platforms. As part of this deal, BAE Systems, through its U.S. division, will oversee the delivery and integration of the APKWS II kits into Saudi Arabia's military forces. American personnel will provide technical training and ongoing support to ensure the system's operational effectiveness. Saudi Arabia is expected to deploy these guided rockets primarily on Boeing AH-64 Apache attack helicopters and MH-60R Seahawk maritime helicopters, both of which are currently in service. Additionally, there is potential for integration onto fixed-wing aircraft to enhance counter-drone operations, mirroring U.S. military practices. This agreement strengthens the military alliance between the United States and Saudi Arabia while reinforcing regional stability. The sale follows a previous arms deal approved in October 2024, in which the U.S. provided Saudi Arabia with 507 wireless guided, radio frequency missiles valued at $440 million. The addition of APKWS II kits further enhances Saudi Arabia's precision strike capabilities, improving its ability to respond to evolving threats. The U.S. Department of State has emphasized that this transaction will not disrupt the military balance in the region. However, it does require an annual deployment of U.S. government representatives and contractors for oversight and program management. Despite these provisions, the deal is not expected to impact U.S. defense readiness, as the final contract value may fluctuate based on Saudi Arabia's specific needs and budget approvals. Saudi Arabia is well positioned to integrate the APKWS II system efficiently, given its existing fleet of compatible aircraft and ground vehicles. While its primary use will be on helicopters, the potential deployment on F-15SA fighter jets or land-based launchers remains a consideration. Furthermore, recent tests have shown the system's effectiveness against drones and light aerial threats, suggesting expanded applications within Saudi Arabia's naval forces. This sale underscores the continued military cooperation between the two nations, providing Saudi Arabia with an advanced yet cost-effective solution for precision-guided strikes. As geopolitical dynamics evolve, the integration of APKWS II will play a crucial role in strengthening the kingdom's defense capabilities while aligning with U.S. strategic interests in the Gulf region.